Looking for an electric tricycle that makes your rides safer and more enjoyable? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, AcheFit Tricycle Cover. The AcheFit Adult Tricycle Cover caught my eye right away. Priced at just $28.99, this cover seems perfect for protecting your electric tricycle from the elements. If you want to keep your trike looking new and protected from rain, sun, and dust, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from durable 210D Oxford cloth with a special PU coating, it promises waterproof protection. That means you won't have to worry about rust or damage after a rainstorm. Plus, it fits tricycles up to 75 inches long, including mountain bikes and certain e-bikes, so it's pretty versatile. The reflective strips enhance visibility for added safety in low-light conditions, which is a big plus if you ride at dusk. The windproof design with quick-release buckles secures the cover tightly. No more worries about it blowing away. Now, some people complained about the size not fitting larger models perfectly. Here's the thing though. As long as your tricycle is within its dimensions, it should serve you well. Just be aware that if you have a bulkier model, you might want to measure before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to protect your tricycle from all weather conditions. Skip this one if you don't need a cover or have a particularly large tricycle that might not fit well. For $28.99, it's a solid investment to keep your ride in good shape. Now, if the need for protection isn't your main concern, the next product might actually be a lot more fun for kids.
Product number 2, the Fisher-Price Toddler Tricycle, priced at $68.60. This isn't just any tricycle. It features cool Harley-Davidson graphics and even comes with real driving sounds. If you want to spark your child's imagination while they learn to ride, this is definitely worth a serious look. What makes this tricycle special is its adjustable seat that grows with your child, which is crucial when you're buying for toddlers aged 2 to 6. The wide wheelbase and all-terrain tires ensure stability, which is perfect for those early learning rides. Plus, it has a secret handlebar storage compartment for all their little treasures. It's designed to support kids up to 60 pounds, which means they can get a lot of use out of it. Now, some parents mentioned that the sound effects can be a bit annoying after a while, but here's the thing. Kids love those sounds. It adds to their play experience, and it might just keep them entertained longer, making it worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, engaging outdoor toy that will keep your little ones active. Skip this one if your child is older or if they've outgrown standard toddler bikes. For the price, it combines fun and developmental benefits nicely. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those curious little explorers.
Product number 3, KRIDDO Kids Tricycle, is up next, and it's priced at $64.99. Designed for toddlers aged 2 to 5, this trike is all about safety and fun. If you want your child to develop their steering skills while staying safe, this is worth checking out. What I love about this trike is its unique triangular design with extended rear wheels that reduces the risk of tipping over. Safety is a huge concern for parents, and this feature genuinely surprised me. Plus, it has a front light that improves visibility during evening rides, making it safer for kids to ride around. It's also built for both indoor and outdoor use, with silent wheels that won't scratch your floors while they play inside. Now, some customers pointed out that assembly can be a bit tricky, but here's the thing. Once it's set up, it's built to last and provides a fun experience for your little ones, so don't let the assembly deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a safe and durable tricycle that your child can use in various environments. Skip this one if you need something for older kids or if your child is particularly large. It's a great value given the safety features and build quality. If you're looking for something a little more thrilling, the next product might be just the thing.
Product number 4, Huffy Green Machine Drift Trike, priced at $261.51. This one is all about fun and adventure for kids aged 8 and up.
If your child loves to drift and perform tricks, this toy is worth your attention. This drift trike features dual stick steering, letting kids pull off quick turns and 180-degree spins, which adds a thrilling dimension to their riding experience. The LED lights under the seat and on the wheels light up the pavement, making every ride feel like a show. Plus, it supports riders up to 180 pounds, which means it can be enjoyed for a while as kids grow. Some reviews mentioned that it might be a bit difficult to control for younger kids. But here's the thing, that challenge is part of the fun and helps them build their coordination and confidence. Just make sure they're the right age and height for the best experience. This is perfect for you if you have an adventurous child who loves to race and perform tricks. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler for younger kids. It's worth the price for the fun and excitement it offers. Now, if you're looking for something for the littlest ones in your life, the final product will be a playful treat.
Product number 5. Tipment Baby Toddler Electric Tricycle. We have the Tipment Baby Toddler Electric Tricycle, available for just $21.99. This toy is perfect for younger kids and is designed to captivate their imagination. If you want a fun gift that encourages imaginative play, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this tricycle apart is its ability to perform stunts and emit dazzling lights and music while moving. It's not just a toy, it's an interactive experience that stimulates your child's senses and helps develop their coordination. The fact that it can spin 360 degrees while making fun sounds is bound to keep them entertained. However, some users have pointed out that it requires batteries, which aren't included. But here's the thing, the joy this little trike brings is well worth the extra trip to the store for batteries. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, engaging toy for toddlers aged 3 to 12. Skip this one if you want something more durable and suited for older kids. At $21.99, it's an affordable choice for a delightful gift. Now that we've explored the options, let's wrap things up. So to quickly compare, we've got the AKE Fit cover for protection, the Fisher-Price trike for fun, the Credo Kids tricycle for safety, the Huffy Drift trike for adventure, and the Tipment electric trike for sensory play. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Credo Kids tricycle because of its safety features and sturdy design for little ones learning to ride. I'd avoid the Huffy Green machine if you're looking for something for younger kids, as it's more suited for older kids seeking thrills.